guys, what's up? So right now I was just having my tea and my mom is not home right now. She's just gone to buy some groceries and my sisters are still sleeping. I mean, today I kind of woke up earlier. Yeah, actually woke up at 2 today and that's early for me. I've been waking up at 4 every single day. I don't know what's been up. But yeah, that's my real routine right now, so that's what I'm gonna share with you guys. So let's go further. Guess who's awake? Hazel. Hazel. Hello. Are you okay? You can sleep again. Bye. Alright, thanks. Here is me enjoying a banana. You and your dirty mind. Hi, so I finished making my room and now I'm just gonna go for a bath. It's literally 3 p.m. and I'm going for a bath now. I'm proud of myself. Hi guys, so I just got out of the bathroom and one of my sisters is awake. And probably I would have my lunch now. So guys, after my I was doing my assignments before this and I was just bored doing it, so I just started doing some sort of a drawing which I'll show you right now. It's kinda different. Okay, so this is what I made and I'm gonna make many of these in the whole page and we will see how it will turn out. It is all made with sketch pens, so yeah, this is how it looks. Can we just have a moment? I'm really proud of my sketch. Okay guys, right now it is 7:45 and I am going to have my tea right now with my family, and after that I don't know what am I gonna do. Alright, I came out to meet my friends. Just kidding, I came to buy medicines. Yes, but it feels so good to come out. So guys, it is 1:15 right now and my sister is judging me and I'm eating some grapes after dinner, and I don't know, for some reason this is on. Why? Why? And I have no clue at what time am I gonna sleep, because this has become my routine now that I sleep at 4. So it's 2:30 a.m. and I just saw this really cool pizza which was made in a mug on TikTok for a change something, and I really want to try it. Oops. But I'm scared that my mom would wake up. Okay guys, so it turned out really good. It looks like this. I mean, I even had some of it. It's really nice. And if you guys want the recipe of this, then DM me or comment below, so I'll make a video on that. Alright. Hi guys. It's 4. I was just sketching. I was just productive for the 2 hours when I was doing my assignments. And the whole time I was so unproductive. Do you want to see it? Do you want to see it? So guys, it is almost 5 right now and I would be sleeping because it's very late and tomorrow for sure I will wake up at like 2 or 3. I mean, I will try to wake up at like 12, but I'm not sure. So I'll be going and sleeping right now, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoy it.